Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Harrowing news from Christchurch came out earlier this afternoon. Jakarta was shocked. More than 40 people have been killed in an unthinkable act of terror, a shooting during Jum'ah prayer. It is indeed shocking and we all are very sad. On behalf of the people of Jakarta, we are extending our deepest condolences to the families of those lives have been taken away, and also to the Muslim community in New Zealand. We pray to Allah that all victims will be granted suhada, will be granted Jannah. Jakarta stands in solidarity with Christchurch, with New Zealand and its people, who is known for their peacefulness, openness, and warmth toward other people from all walks of life. We believe that the government of New Zealand will take this matter extremely serious and justice will be served. Thank you. May the blessing of Allah be upon us all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.